Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to make a South Indian style chicken curry called chicken Chettinad. This dish comes from the region of Chettinad, India and is one of India's most flavorful dishes made with chicken and many spices and herbs. The ingredients needed are 2 pounds of chicken thighs with bones that have been cut in half, 3/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of sesame oil, 4 curry leaf stems, 25 sliced shallots, half a large diced purple onion, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of fresh or frozen grated coconut, 1/3 of a cup of water, 1½ teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 bay leaf, 3/4 of a teaspoon of whole black pepper, 12 red chilies. If you can't handle the heat, then use 2 to 4 of them, 1 whole mace, 4 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, and 1 star anise. First step, take the chicken and add the lemon, salt, turmeric powder, mix it well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Then, take a pan and add all your spices that include 1½ teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3/4 of a teaspoon of whole black pepper, 12 red chilies, 1 whole mace, 4 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, 1-inch piece of cinnamon, and 1 star anise. And roast on low heat for 3 to 5 minutes until they become fragrant and light golden brown in color. Now that the spices have become fragrant, you can now add the grated coconut to it and roast until golden brown in color. Once ready, you can transfer the masala spices to a plate to cool down. Once the roasted spices have cooled down to room temperature, you can transfer them to a blender and blend until the spices have broken up into fine pieces. Then add half a cup of water to it and blend until it has turned into a paste-like texture and set aside. Then, get any type of wok pan that you may have and add 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. And once hot, add the curry leaves, shallots, purple onions, and saute on medium heat until the onions have turned translucent. You can add a little salt to help cook down the raw onions faster. Once the onions have turned translucent, then add the ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell goes away. After the raw smell goes away, then add the tomatoes and saute until they cook down. Now that the tomatoes have cooked down, add the marinated chicken along with the masala paste and mix and incorporate everything together. At this point, you don't need to add water just yet because the chicken will release its own natural juices. Cover and cook on a low heat for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, to make sure that the curry is not sticking. After 15 minutes, add 1/3 of a cup of water to your curry and continue to cook for another 7 to 10 minutes until the gravy has thickened up a bit. But this will depend on the consistency of the gravy that you prefer, but I recommend a semi-gravy consistency. And add salt to taste. Now your chicken curry is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with rice or your favorite Indian bread. This recipe is one of my many favorite South Indian curries that is filled with so much flavor and can not only be made with chicken but with lamb as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and like, share, and subscribe.